how to change country of YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the country that is displayed on a YouTube channel. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So if you go to any YouTube channel and you select more for their bio right here, at the bottom of this, under more information, you'll see a country. Now, if you want to change the country that is displayed on your YouTube channel, all you need to do is open up a browser, navigate to youtube.com, and then select your channel icon in the top right, go down and select YouTube Studio. Once you get into the YouTube Studio, in the left menu here, go to the bottom and select Settings. And then all we want to do is select Channel and Country of Residence right here. All you need to do is select that, and you can choose whatever country you want displayed on your channel. Now keep in mind, this is where you're telling YouTube where you're based. So you can select Learn More here to learn about what that means and what that affects on your channel. But once you change the country, make sure you select Save in the top right, and then that change will be reflected on your channel. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.